Parang hilig sa paktak ko. Sabi nanay na ako to. Kaling ni Pabi. Malinis na. Hi, Jerna. Kaway-kaway nga, Jerna. Sige, lock mo na. Labas mo yung payong ka, ma'am. Binidyo ko ba?
Rodrigo na. Pinagpagkasada. Rodrigo. Sukulyado. But there's a whistle. Sukulyado hot dance with the tropical. Traveling very hot. San Diego. Arceo at the post. Arceo. Chavez. Asada. 2 points.
Ay, si Peng, oh. Peng!
There's number 12, foul. Arceo is first personal foul, first team foul. All over them, Samir cross, so good. Copy that out of bounds.
Sige na, okay lang. Uwi na rin ako maya-maya.
Pag yung maya-maya mo, mabalita ako sa kanila.
Pag na 20 na tong phone ko, malolobat na eh.
Ayan tayo.
Bobby's at the post. Bobby's out of the red. Bobby's crossing the way. Nakakagulong pito. May asada sa mga ball roll top. Getting out sa way. Candido. 2 points.
Kumain kami sa mama. Balut na naman.
Asada shot. Samir. Sarap ng pito. But there's a whistle.
There's a whistle.
Arceo. Arceo na ang bola. Oliver Du. Arceo. San Diego water shot. Napunta kay Samir. Samir cut. San Diego out of bounds. The ball goes to the green shirts.
Hindi naman madumi.
May sipon ko, ha?
Ngayon nagiging.
Hindi lang inangata may sipon.
Hindi mo
Matagal na nga.
ang
Baboy naman
Rodrigo.
putang ina.
Ano yung say? Good?
Baboy yung puta. Babalik ko yung may sipon dito. Yun na lang.
At the corner, it's on. There it is, Samir. Samir. There's the whistle and a foul on. Here's the number 11. Bobby's his first personal foul. 13 fouls. Rodrigo, inbounds the ball to Candido. Candido, Marcos San Diego. Candido.
Nahanap ka ni DJ. Kausapin ka daw.
Candido na. There's the ball, but there's the whistle.
Bakit ang sakit ka rin? Ito may place kami, tanga. Sa mga sakit sa'yo. Magmukha ka ng place.
Bakit na nga ako?
Asal, dahil si Rodrigo. Bigyan sa'yo ang ball. Sa'yo, mga white. Saliado.
Okay.
Sa'yo, Peter J. Very good. Talking ang bola. Rodrigo. dito, 3 balls. Uno. Dito, bago mag-keep. 5 seconds to shoot. Dito po. Shot. Very good. Bobbies. Out of sale. Out of bounds. Out of sale. To Bobbies. Bobby shots. Samir. On the balls. Down to Jeremy. Jeremy attacks. Jeremy shots. Very good. Out of sale. One number 4. Out of sale. To Bobby. Spin. Shots. Dude, to Jeremy. Colliado at the post. Colliado palms. Colliado shots at the middle. Very good. Now bigger number San Diego. Attacks. Shots. Very good. Samir. The Jude. 1 hand. 2 points. Bobbies receives the ball at the post. Bobbies. 1 hand. Shot. 2 points. Para Bobbies. Jeremy Manalo, Garbo Asada, low for his teammates, got the Jude. Jude attacks at the middle. Jude shots. 2 points. Volleyball ref timeout comedy. Bobby's at the post, Garbo Colliado. Bobby's attacks. Bobby's spinning shots. But there's a foul on Colliado. This first personal foul, first team foul. At the middle, jersey number 11 from RDP. 2 free throws on the shot line. Bobby's. First line, no good. Set, right down first ready. Ten rise dude. Samir at the most speed. Shots over Arceo. 2 points para Samir. Asada. Asada orchestrating play. San Diego receives. Shots over Manalo. Short. Jeremy. Fake shot. 2 points. Official score of the game, 49-57, 12 minutes and 30 on the clock. Arceo. Samir recovers. To Jeremy. Colliado, but there's a foul. Colliado, second personal foul.
Hoy.
Team foul. Bobby's attacks. Bobby shots. Very good, Samir. 2 points. Time to the holding. Martin to Asada. Asada attacks on the field. Asada, but there's no whistle. Juvenile, second personal foul, third team foul. Asada for Arceo. At the post, Arceo. Bomb. Touch over Samir. Good. Jude shots. 2 points. Asada. Asada attacks. Asada. Good. Samir to Jeremy. Panalo. Attacks. Panalo. To Jude. Out of play. Brotherhood connection. 2 points. Bobbies. Out to Jeremy. Arceo at the eight. To the ball. But there's only 7 foul. Manalo. Third personal foul. Warning to penalty. Substitution. Panalo. Jude, tabi ka na bola. Asada sa Jude, block. Jude Manalo, very good. Arceo to Martin. Martin to Pabis. Pabis shots. Benzik, 2 points. Jude, may tangan ng bola. Ang base, matang si Martin, lose the ball. Mapupunta rin Asada. Asada to Pabis. Pabis attacks. Shots. 2 points.
Bola!
Soliado. To Jerry. Samir. Shots over Arceo. Very good. All board. Bago tayo Pabis. Pabis Asada. Nabi ka na bola. Asada out of bounds. Substitution. The ball goes to the greater Uno Mirga. Rodrigo. Guard by Asada. Rodrigo lose ball. One ball. Pabis underneath. Shot. 2 points. Official score of the game, 55-63, 8-point lead by the green shirts. Manalo, Soliano season 3, and shot blocked by Asada. Soliano, pass. Good. Tabi na bola ng Uday Pabi. 2 points. Rodrigo, Soliano, take toss. Very good, tabi ka ng bola. Jerry Manalo, Lamor. 10 seconds, Jude. Manalo. There's a foul. There's a number 20. Nice substitution. Martinez first personal foul. First team foul para sa MVP. Atito. Tujer. Para Asada. To Rodrigo. Taking Atito. 2 points. Pabis, Barber Candido. Pabis at the middle. Pabis muscles away. Candido inbound the ball to Rodrigo. Samir at the middle. Samir feed. Cross. Benzik to you. Arceo bombs. Arceo shots. Very good. Arceo spins. To Pabis. Lose the ball. Asada. Bomb. Shots at the middle. Very good. Arceo Benzik. 2 points.
Malakas naman ni Arceo.
Rodrigo shots on Asada. There's no result. Foul on jersey number 28. San Diego. His first personal foul. First line ni Rodrigo, very good. Second line, jumpers ready. Second high school ball by Rodrigo. Official score of the game. 66-61. Pabis underneath. Shot. Out of place. Completed. 2 points. Rodrigo. Attacks. Big Manalo. Manalo lose the ball. The ball goes to the RPP. San Diego to Pabis. Pabis attacks. Pabis lays it up. 2 points. Candido. Guard by Asada. Candido dancing. Candido pa rin. To Jerry. Manalo base. Shots. 2 points. Arceo, bombs. Arceo spins, lose the ball. Mapupunta tayo sa middle. Overshoots. Mapupunta tayo sa Asada at the middle. 2 points. Tamir at the post. Tamir shots. But there's no whistle and ball. Jersey number 11, Pabis. Second personal foul. 13 foul. At the middle for 2 free throws. Central jumpers ready. Out of bounds. RDB ball. San Diego. To Asada. Asada. San Diego. Toss. Big Asada. Arceo. Shot. Aiming for the no good. Out of bounds. Number 5 Diego. The ball goes to Bobby's at the ball. Bobby's. Hunting Arceo. Spins. Lifts it up. Pass it no good. Topping the ball. Asada. Yeah, Arceo. Pause. To Bobby's. Right under. No good. Manalo. Pause. Manalo. Spin. There's it. RDB ball. Asala. 68-67. San Diego to Bobby. Shot. 100. Very good. Come in. To Antido. Antido. Level bola. Antido. Antido. Thank you. Asada. Third. Working on foul. Warning to penalty. Samir. Ating Antido. Feed. Shot. 100. Very good. Bobby na bola. Antido. Feed. Antido. Pause. Antido. To Rodrigo. Jerry. To Samir. Samir. Pause.
Ay,
To Rodrigo.
pasa-pasa.
Roll loose.
Pasa-pasa.
The Victor Uno with the ball. 15-50. 1 point lead enjoyed by the Wizards. Rodrigo. The team thanks to Duke. Jeremy. Bombs. Barbasteo. Toss. Manalo. 2 points. Asceo receives the ball, loses it, now to Sana, second move, block. Bobby Saraki, Bobby shots, 2 points. Antido, to Samir, at the post, Samir, not on the pop. Ping, shots, was one of jersey number 28, San Diego committed. His second personal foul penalty. RDB in penalty situation. First right, no good by
May
Camille.
nasa
Second
ba?
right, jumpers ready. Next one for two. Bobby, may tangan ang bola para sa RDB. Bobby, Antido, his first personal foul penalty. Both teams are in penalty situation. And the middle jersey number 11 from RDB, Bobbies. Sendrai jumpers ready. Substitution. Manali, Pagilao. Asa, nabitahan ang bola. Lucas City, San Diego. Lucy. Out of bounds, the ball goes to the green shirt. Rodrigo. 5 seconds to shoot. San Diego Rodrigo.
Ay, galing.
Arceo to Bobby underneath. San Diego shots. San Diego at number 2 points. 33-76, 5 minutes and 10. 3 lead by the Rangers. San Diego home shot. Very good. Asana. San Diego shots. 2 points. Good Manalo attacks. Good. Followed by still good. Cantino. Cantino attacks. Rodrigo. Rodrigo. Followed by Rodrigo. Arceo. Arceo. To Bobbies. Bobby with that. 15 seconds good. 12. Bobbies. To Asada. 2 points for Asada. Bandido. Manalo. Tap. Out of bounds. The ball goes to 10 seconds good. Good attack. Si Bobby lays it up. 2 points for Asada. Cross down the ball. Hey, good. Santiago. Back to Asada. Bobbies. Palms. Bobbies. Spins. Foul to Jeremy Manalo. His first personal foul. Second personal foul. Penalty. Manalo. Pasok paro. Taylor is good. Substitution. Manalo. Goal was team 8 big and Tiro. 3 ball. Very good. Bobby straight ball. Lays it up. 2 points. 80-81 change. Blackboard. 1 point lead. Enjoy 5 blue shirts. Manalo attacks. Manalo babawi. Bilik sa kanyang kuya. 2 points. Eight to one, Bobbies. Bobbies attacks. Bobbies loses it. Candido, 2 points. Asada. Asada attacks. Lays it up. Takes it in the good. 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 Time goes back to Jeremy. Candido, for 3. Very good. Candido, 2 points.
Malakas sila. Soy.
Arceo. Arceo shot, 2 points.
Dapat kasi ano. Manalo attack. Manalo shot. 2 points. Santiago. Santiago long for Stinging. Bobby. Asada at the middle. Asada to 1 team. Back to Asada.
On by two. Astada dancing. Astada tap. Shot at the middle. Very good. Another reward. Another. Andido. Andido. That's the 14. 10 cents to do. There's the whistle.
Ang tenga ko, tulig na naman.
First, that's good ball. I can need second. Right down first ready. Tandero reward. Shot over Samir. Very good. Samir. Candido. Counter by Asada. Candido lose. Burning time. 3 balls. Very good. Panalo. Out of bounds. Ball goes to RGP. Original score to be 8-3. To Martin, 3 balls, short. Out of bounds.
Gago.
Panalo. Jeremy Max. Jeremy, not by 2. Candido. Candido, 100. Shot. 2 points. Pabis, shot by Candido. Pabis. To Martin. Doing for his teammates. San Diego at the corner. Shots over from here. Really good. Copy ng bola. Makapupunta kay Pabis.
So hindi pa abis.
2 points. Candido. All the way to Candido attack. Green. Candido. All by San Diego. Candido. Duemi. Kay Manalo. 5 seconds to go. Samir attack. Samir. There's the whistle. And foul. Jersey number 19.
Kasing ka na, gago.
Asada fourth personal foul penalty. Even race completed by Samir. One minute 10, Asada took it. 94-87. Candido, Carlos Candido. Candido number 2. Here's the whistle. Akadol. Out of bounds, single. Baby ball. In on Bobby. Bobby sponsors 3. Lays it up. 2 points. Emmy, bottom of 8. Emmy. 15 cents to do it. Candido. 3. Candido. There's the whistle. And a foul. Ortiz. Third personal foul. Penalty.
San Diego.
First line,
Tapos Candido, kaya kailangan. Naka-itilak siya.
Diego, San Diego, pass.
Ano ba itong ano na to?
94, 91, 38 on the clock. Candido, fouled by Bobby. Bobby is
Siya na naman.
personal foul
Hindi
penalty.
naman shot siya, no?
Shoot mo naman.
Hi?
First,
Sa shoot.
take right, good by Candido. Asada. Good for Simi, San Diego. San Diego attacks. Lays it out. Very good. Samir. 2-2. Foul. Foul.
Siya na naman.
San Diego.
Siya na naman ako.
Third personal foul on San Diego. Penalty. Jobbers ready.
Ay, tayo.
Melvin Samir. To Antido. To Emi. To Antido. Emi. The first goal is now. Good to number 19, Astari. Big personal foul graduate.
Ay, ano ba tong si ano? What ka na yata? Ay, gusto niya siguro overtime.
Penalty to Boray Candido. Biggest score of the game, 91-97. Martin to Bobbies. Bobbies attacks. Bobbies to Cumberland. Lays it out short. Good. Ninety-seven, 91 biggest score of the game.
Sa mga coach natin dyan, wait lang guys.
Sino ang best player?
Ha?
Ayun nga daw. Ang pinang gago yan. Ay, sigaw mo dyan ng gago yan.
Galing ni EJ. Go EJ! Woo! Ha! Kaya pa kita tinatawag, papundo, nando sa...
Ano ba nandyan?
Nasa dulo ka pa lang. Oh, bye, Crush. Hindi na kayo, ano. Sayang si ano. Sayang, di kayo nag-win. Mga extra rice.
Sulit yung ticket na bili
Go EJ! Woo! Galing ni EJ! EJ pala! Woo! 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 Woo!
Smile ka muna daw, Jay. Smile ka muna daw.
Ito, interview mo nga to.
So ako,
Ay, kita sa video